Welcome to this tutorial on Xlookup in Excel. In this video, we'll explore how to use Xlookup to search for data in a table and return related information. Xlookup is a powerful function in Excel used to search for a value in a table and return a corresponding value from another column. It is an upgrade from the traditional VLOOKUP function and offers more flexibility. The syntax for Xlookup is provided in the screen. Here you select the lookup value, the array to look up, and the array to return, and other options. Let's use Xlookup to find the price of Apple. In cell F5, we will write the formula. Then, when selecting the value from the drop-down list, there it is the price associated with the value. In summary, Xlookup is a versatile and powerful function that simplifies data lookup tasks. Practice using Xlookup with your own data to get more comfortable with it. Thanks for watching.